everyone, and welcome to another Learn Unboxing. Today I am going to be showing you the Building Bit Superkit, which is compatible with Microbit, and it is produced by Yahboom. So let's open it up and describe what we see. Perfect. So the first thing we see at the top is our instruction manual. Don't panic when you open it up. Just keep flipping the page and you will see that it is also available in English. Here on the first page, we have a packing list. Looks very similar to any kind of Lego instruction manual, if you're familiar with Lego blocks. Here on the left, we'll see a table of contents with all of the different things that we can build. Today, I am going to try to build the pretty car, but as you can see, there's lots of different options. Underneath that, here we see all of our different building pieces. We also have some motors. We have this handy tool to help us separate blocks if ever they get stuck. It's really useful. Here we have our board, which we will attach our microbit to here on the front. The kit also comes with a battery. Just an FYI, I do find that the battery is very difficult to remove, so get ready to prepare yourselves for that. You will notice that a few of the blocks are missing, and that's because I went ahead and I built my little pretty car already. I'm just gonna snap the board in it. I wanted to see about how long it would take to build this project, so I timed myself, and it took me 18 minutes to build. And the instructions were quite clear, especially if you're familiar with EV3s or just any kind of Lego. So it's completely feasible to do in one classroom period. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put in my battery. There we go. Now what? Well, now we are going to go flip to the back of our instruction manual, and we are going to visit the English tutorial. One thing I should mention is that you will notice that the kit does not come with a microbit, so you actually have to purchase your microbit separately. So now we're ready. We have everything assembled. Let's jump online and get coding. Great, so now I've opened up a new browser window, and I'm just gonna paste the web link that was on the back of the instruction manual. Great, so here we have all of the instructions for the Yahboom kit. I'm gonna try to program it with MakeCode today. So I'm gonna click on preparation before a class. That's really important. So I'm already quite familiar with the microbit, so I'm gonna go to the MakeCode graphical programming. And here I'm gonna get instructions on how to code via MakeCode my microbit. So I'm gonna go down here. It's just telling me to open up my MakeCode editor. And first thing I'm gonna do is to download the Yahboom software. Here we go. We'll call this Pretty Car. When I first tried to add my extensions on MakeCode, I was just typing in Yahboom. It wasn't able to find the recommended block, so you really do need to copy the link from their website. Here I see the Superbit extension kit, so I'm gonna add that. Awesome, wonderful. So now here I see all of my blocks. Now, if I go back to the building bit instructions and I go to my MakeCode course and down to the pretty car, here I can download the hex file. I see how to wire my servo and motor. Okay. And I also see where I can find all of my blocks. Perfect. So now if you're a student, you can easily copy that code over. So here we have on start, you want it to show a picture. They want it to show a happy face. I'm gonna go with a diamond. I like diamonds, they're a girl's best friend. Great. Now it's going to play a melody in the background. So let's go to music here. You're gonna have a melody. What kind of melody? I'm gonna put on a chase since it's a car. I think that's appropriate. Ooh. Now here I'm gonna run my program. So you see here forever it's gonna have a red, green, blue LED color showing on the car. And then I have my motors and I can customize the speed. That's great. You also have motor 1 and 2, which will correspond with the motors on the servos of your car, so that you can customize, for example, make one side of your car, one wheel turn a bit more or faster than the other, which I'm assuming would make your car do some fun tricks. So here I'm gonna go to my program. I'm just gonna put this on the side for now so that it's not playing non-stop as I am programming. Now I'm going to my NeoPixels. I am going to pick strip show color red. Let's move this down so I have more room. Now I'm going to turn my strip to my RBG color. Let's delete that. Then what's my next step? Show RBG color. This again, go into my Superkit. Perfect, delete that. And now I believe I have my motors. Motor 1, motor 2, and we want it to go. So instead of 0, let's move it to 255. Let's make it go fast. And then I believe we just need to make it pause. Basic, pause, 500 milliseconds. Okay, we'll copy our paste. Let's make it turn another color here. We can post our motor. Perfect. Let's make it turn one more color. Oh, I forgot to make it pause in between. Why don't we turn it blue? Perfect. So now I have all my code in for now. I'm going to put my play melody, and after that I'm going to download the program on my microbit. So I have my microbit plugged in. I'm going to press download, next, pair. Oh, my microbit wasn't fully plugged in, so let's try again. Great, so now let's try it again. Now that my microbit is fully plugged in, my dongle just wasn't connected fully. Downloading. Ooh, okay, here we go. So I'm gonna eject my microbit and plug it into my robot. Let's see what happens. Awesome. So now that my microbit's all coded, I'm going to place it in to my board like this, facing the front. Make sure my battery is on, and I'm going to connect the wires as we saw in our instructions. So let's make sure I get them on the right side. M3, perfect, and M1. There we go. So here you see a little off-on switch. We're going to turn it on. We see our diamond. Oh, catchy song. And here we see our car moves forward. Oh, so pretty. I'm gonna turn that off. So as you can see, this kit was really easy to program. It was pretty quick to build. I personally can't wait to try some of the other projects that come in the kit. It's a great kit for secondary level, or perhaps if you had some elementary cycle 3 students that were familiar with coding, with the supports, they could do this project easily as well. Don't forget to check out Learn's other unboxing videos and visit the Digital Competency in Action website for more resources. You can also contact the RÉCIT consultant in your school board if you would like support. Finally, don't forget to follow us on Instagram for more fun learning and teaching ideas.